This is the VARLEY design that's built on the Gold Coast. Now what makes this house is this big cantilevered balcony and veranda roof. It's quite amazing, it looks like it's floating, and this is built on quite a steep side as well. Take you for a quick look through. So it's got a concrete slab down for the base. There's a guest room and a triple garage, then an elevated floor system for the rest of the house. There's a product called Cementel, which is a CSR product. James Hardie Stria around the tops, and on the ends it's the matrix. So the Stria is up the top there on the vertical. This is the matrix from James Hardie and Cementel from CSR. And then back to the matrix. So just going through this is the master bedroom, ensuite, additional bedrooms down there with a Jack and Jill bathroom. So that's for both bedrooms here. And then into the living area, which has got this massive big high ceiling, louvers, bifolds, and a big clear open span. So all the ceilings out here are going to have the spotted gum, which is just there ready to go. And let's use James Hardie Secura floor, which will have a tile on top. So the spotted gum will go up the side here and then connect up to the veranda ceiling all the way around.